Good morning, guys. Double wide 6 here, and this morning we got a little bit of snow, so I figured I'd take you guys out along for a little bit of plowing, and you could just kind of watch what's going on. A lot of you, or a few of you, have asked, you know, how's the plow do on a 1500 truck, which is what I have, and it does quite well. I'm just doing a few driveways, and that's all I really do. But that was a pretty good pile right there. All these driveways that I have are the type that you gotta go in both ways. There's not really an easy way just to push the snow. So I gotta go in forward and back in. It's nice having the reverse camera because I can see what's going on behind me, which is real helpful. Because this truck's pretty big. It's got the double cab or quad cab, I think they call it. This next driveway is a bit of a hill. I'm just going to start by kind of scraping away some of this stuff from the road plow. And there's a cul-de-sac down here, so I'll turn around. This plow is a Western mid-weight, and it's made for a F150 or a Chevy 1500, and I have it, like I said, on a Dodge 1500. So this driveway that I'm doing is a bit of a hill here, so a lot of times he doesn't have his truck parked up there, but this time he does. So I'm just going to run up to the garage doors and back this stuff out. And the tires I use, I put on the Cooper AT tires, I guess they're called. They're not actually the winter tire, but that's what the tire store recommended for a general use tire for all seasons. This driveway is a lot easier to do when the truck isn't in the way. Usually takes me about 4 or 5 passes. You can see this plow back drags pretty well. You know, it takes it right down. It depends on the snow, but this does a good job pulling backwards and cleaning down to the surface. Looks like we'll do one more pass and then push this pile out of the way in the street here. Yeah, usually this truck in here and I can push all the way up. He actually has, you know, driveway where he's parked, so I can push everything up, which makes it a little easier. But we'll be all right. So I brought down all the snow. You can kind of see it piled down there. I don't have the greatest view on my car mount camera stand. What we're going to do is just kind of sweep in here. There goes my camera. Sorry about that. Alright. Here's a look at the setup, guys. There's the truck and here's the plow. It's called the Mid Weight. It's mostly made for F150's and 1500's. It's pretty lightweight plow. It doesn't clear down as well as a heavier plow, but it does a good job for me, especially for residential jobs. So if you have any questions about plows or anything related to this, just put it down there in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.